Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to share some fantastic house cleaning tips that will help you keep your home sparkling clean. Whether you're a cleaning pro or just starting, these tips will surely make your life easier. So, let's dive right in. Tip number 1, gather your cleaning supplies. Before you start cleaning, make sure you have all the necessary tools and products on hand. This includes microfiber cloths, a vacuum cleaner, a mop, a bucket, an all-purpose cleaner, glass cleaner, and any other specialty cleaning products you might need. Having everything ready will save you time and make the process more efficient. Tip number 2, start from the top and work your way down. When cleaning a room, begin with the highest surfaces, such as ceiling fans, shelves, and light fixtures. Dust and dirt tend to fall downward, so starting from the top ensures that you won't need to re-clean lower surfaces. Plus, it prevents dust from spreading to already cleaned areas. Tip number 3, master your vacuuming technique. When vacuuming, use slow, deliberate strokes, overlapping each pass to ensure you pick up as much dirt as possible. Pay special attention to high-traffic areas and corners. Don't forget to vacuum upholstered furniture, curtains, and rugs regularly to keep them looking fresh. Tip number 4, use natural cleaners whenever possible. Many store-bought cleaning products contain harsh chemicals that can be harmful to your health and the environment. Consider making your own natural cleaners using ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and essential oils. They are safe, effective, and budget-friendly. Stay with us. At the end of the video, we will share with you how to make natural cleaners. Tip number 5, declutter before you clean. Take a few minutes to declutter each room before you start cleaning. Put away items that are out of place, remove any unnecessary clutter, and tidy up surfaces. Cleaning is much more efficient when you're not constantly moving things around. Tip number 6, let fresh air in. Opening windows during cleaning allows fresh air to circulate, helping eliminate any lingering odors and improving indoor air quality. Plus, natural light can reveal areas you might have missed during cleaning. And finally, tip number 7, create a cleaning schedule. Maintaining a clean home is much easier when you establish a regular cleaning routine. Create a schedule that suits your lifestyle and break down tasks into daily, weekly, monthly, and seasonal categories. It will help you stay organized and prevent the buildup of dirt and clutter. And there you have it, our top 7 house cleaning tips to keep your home in tip-top shape. Remember, cleaning doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following these tips and establishing good habits, you'll be able to maintain a clean and inviting home effortlessly. In next few slides we share how to make natural cleaners using vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and essential oils at home. Keep watching. Let's talk about vinegar. White vinegar is a versatile cleaner. It's excellent for removing stains, deodorizing, and killing bacteria. Ingredients required are 1 part water, 1 part white vinegar, a few drops of essential oil, such as lavender or lemon, optional. Mix equal parts of water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. If desired, add a few drops of essential oil for a pleasant scent. Shake the bottle well to combine the ingredients. Your all-purpose cleaner is ready to use. Simply spray it onto surfaces like countertops, glass, and bathroom fixtures, then wipe clean with a cloth. Next up, baking soda. Baking soda is a fantastic natural deodorizer and mild abrasive, making it ideal for scrubbing away grime. Let's make a simple baking soda scrub for tougher cleaning tasks. To make a scrub, you need baking soda and water. Instructions. Start with a small bowl and add enough baking soda to cover the area you want to clean. Slowly add water, a little at a time, until you achieve a thick paste consistency. Apply the paste to surfaces like sinks, bathtubs, or tile grout. Using a sponge or scrub brush, scrub the area in circular motion. Rinse thoroughly with water and enjoy the clean and fresh surface. Now, let's not forget the power of lemon juice. Lemon juice is a natural bleach and degreaser, perfect for cutting through tough stains and leaving a fresh scent. Here's a simple recipe using lemon juice for cleaning and deodorizing. All you need are freshly squeezed lemon juice, water, optional, a few drops of essential oil for fragrance, such as lemon or tea tree. Instructions. In a spray bottle, mix equal parts of lemon juice and water. If desired, add a few drops of essential oil for a boost of fragrance. Shake well to combine the ingredients. Use the mixture to clean cutting boards, kitchen countertops, or remove stains from fabric. Rinse or wipe clean after use. Lastly, let's incorporate essential oils into our natural cleaners. Essential oils not only add a pleasant fragrance but also provide additional cleaning properties. You need 1 cup water, 1/2 cup white vinegar, 10 drops of your preferred essential oil, such as lavender, eucalyptus, or peppermint. Instructions. In a spray bottle, combine water, white vinegar, and essential oil. Shake well to mix the ingredients thoroughly. Use this mixture to freshen the air, spray on fabric, or clean surfaces. Give it a gentle shake before each use to distribute the essential oils evenly. And there you have it. 4 easy and effective natural cleaner recipes using vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and essential oils. They are safe, eco-friendly, and can tackle various cleaning. And don't forget to take breaks. It's important to take breaks while you're cleaning. This will help you stay focused and avoid getting burned out. Get up and move around, or take a few minutes to relax and clear your head. And reward yourself once you're finished cleaning. Reward yourself for a job well done. This could be anything from watching your favorite TV show to taking a long bath. I hope these tips help you make cleaning your home a little bit easier. Remember, the most important thing is to find a routine that works for you and stick with it. Thanks for watching.